There are 8 billion people in this world, and there are 3,000 billionaires. How can that be? It's because our school system, our education system does not teach us how to make money. It teaches us how to rent our time for the top dollar. It teaches us if you'll get your education, if you'll become a doctor, a lawyer, a physicist, some high level of education, you'll be able to rent your time for more than the next guy. And that just isn't how it works. Well, then how does it work? Well, there's only 4 ways to become a billionaire. And the first one is the luck of the birth canal. That is that your mother is part of a billion-dollar family. The second is by marrying him or her that is part of a billion-dollar family. And then the third way is to become an entrepreneur. A Steve Jobs, a Jeff Bezos, an Elon Musk, and create a product or a service that the world can't live without, and you become a billionaire, and then you just keep stacking up your billions. The fourth way is to invest in that billionaire, to invest in Steve Jobs, to invest in Jeff Bezos and Elon Musk and Larry Page and those people, Mark Zuckerberg, who come up with an idea, a product, a service that you and I can't live without. So if you can recognize that billionaire to be at a young age, at the early start of his career, and you invest in him, you can become a billionaire yourself. It's called the stock market. The problem is you've got to know what you own. That's been difficult up until now because the information wasn't readily available as to what a stock was doing on a day-to-day basis and how it was run and who was running it and what was their TAM and what's their earnings per share and what's their price to book and price to revenues and what are the metrics that will help us predict what the price of the stock is going to be in the future. Hasn't been available, but now it's available on the internet at a price, and more importantly, it's available for analysis by ChatGPT or Grok or one of the other large language platforms if you know the right questions to ask as to what is a stock that is going to grow exponentially and make me millions. And then if I have enough time, I can leverage through compounding interest. I can leverage my millions into billions. Okay? That's what Best of Us Investors' goal is. Our goal, stated, is to double our portfolio every 3 years. But the real goal is to teach you how to invest in those billionaires so that you can change your life. I'm Kerry Grinkmeyer. I'm the founder of Best of Us Investors. And Best of Us Investors is to make you one of us Best of Us Investors by knowing what you own and making good investments so that you aren't renting your time, you're accumulating wealth. Come to our website. You'll find a link in the description. And I'd like to put you on the path to becoming one of the next billionaires.